Hello once again, this is your Highland Travelers and welcome to Baguio City number coding boundaries. Pag-usapan po natin yung mga boundaries ng number coding natin here in Baguio City. For those who are coming from South Drive, Luacan Road and Military Cutoff, ito po yung boundary mga sir and ma'am. Ito po yung Nevada Rotonda or within Panagbanga Park. Andito po yung signage natin na giving warning to us. Ayan po Yan po yung warning na almost pagpapasok po kayo ng this one, Upper Session Road. May isa pang signage dito po indicating po yung mga prohibited numbers like for Monday, ending 1 and 2, Tuesday, 3 and 4, Wednesday, 5 and 6, Thursday, 7 and 8, and then Friday, 9 and 0. Kahit po yan ay license plate, MB file, or conduction sticker. Basta kung ano po yung nakakabit sa ating sasakyan or motorsiklo, yan po yung magiging basis natin para mahuli po tayo. So hoping po it's clear po yung boundary natin.